Hello everyone, let me introduce how to use the repair instrument. The first one is the power button of the repair instrument. The second is the function key. The third is the confirmation key. Long press to power on. The function keys can be switched to Chinese and English versions. The Chinese version is not the default, buckle battery. The efficiency of the battery is default 101% 0 cycles. Let's modify it now. The first one is a 1 key recovery 101% 0 cycle function. The second is a function that changes efficiency low. Click confirm. The efficiency can be modified arbitrarily. Press the right button to increase it to 107%. Can reduce the number of cycles. By default, the number of cycles is 30 times. Cycle can also be changed. Long press, the cycle value will change rapidly. Here is the 1 key recovery function. Here is the operation to modify the number of cycles. Switch to English version below. Buckle the battery. The same method of operation. Efficiency can be increased or decreased to change the number of cycles. After changing to 97% 46 cycles, 1 key recovery is 101% 0 cycles.